This is the Cosmo iBlaze, and what it is, it's a silicone see-through case. There is more that you can take off right here for an adhesive strip so that it sticks on there really strong, but for now we'll keep that one on there. So it just pops on nice and easily, just like that. Easy buttons that is actually really nice and easy to press, and all of the cutouts for your fingerprint scanner, as well as the cameras on the back and the flash. So with the tempered glass on here, you could still have access to all of the touch functions, no problems. And then you pop on the bottom part right here, peel these off here. This is gonna pop on there. And so if you have a Z Flip 6 and you've picked a really cool color, you know, this is a great case for you because you can still see the color. Everything else will just, you know, hide away. So you'll be able to see the color right through there. Obviously this one's black, so you won't see anything. It's got a nice hinge to it, but I really like on this hinge, it's like a little bit of a diamond pattern and you could feel it too. Yeah, you can see the iBlaze name there and some cutouts for wrist straps. So really easy to use, and it's going to look nice, and it's going to be very protective of your Z Flip Fold. For that, I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.